5 Tips to make Whatsup more secure and private. Whatsup is the hottest chat application within the world, and it also works so as to be safer and personal. And therefore the messaging application owned by the enormous Facebook company constantly issues updates to remain on top of chatting applications and maintain this position. And Whatsup has already implemented end-to-end encryption end-to-end for its 2 billion users, ensuring that the interpersonal conversation on the platform remains private. However, there are some additional steps you'll fancy protect your security and privacy. Tips 1. Enable two-factor authentication in Whatsup. The two-step verification feature is optional on Whatsup, but it is better for the user to secure their Whatsup account using this feature. And once the two-step verification is enabled, any attempt to verify the phone number on Whatsup will require a 6-digit passcode that is generated by the user. Tips 2. Check the Whatsup security code. Each chat on Whatsup has its own security code, and the code is used to ensure that the conversation is encrypted, and to verify the security code, the user needs either a picture of the security code that was assigned or the person's phone himself. And these security codes change when uninstall Whatsup or change the phone, and if your contact's security code is changed, you will receive an alert in the thread. Tips 3. Disable Whatsup's cloud backup. Whatsup copies every message, video, or photo that is shared on Google Drive or any iCloud, and the sad part, however, is that these backups are not encrypted, so if you want to ensure privacy, stop downloading data on the cloud service. Tips 4. Stay away from unofficial Whatsup applications. Modified versions of Whatsup such as Whatsup Plus and Gigabytes Whatsup violate the terms of service for the chat application. And Whatsup also said that it will temporarily block users who use third-party applications, and third-party applications can allow hackers to access your phone. Tips 5. Control your privacy on Whatsup. Whatsup is trying hard to protect you from the outside world, but for the sake of real privacy, you must also modify some settings in the application. And the privacy menu in Whatsup gives you full control over the last seen, read receipts, status, and more. Whatsup has more than 2 billion active users worldwide, making it one of the most popular apps across many platforms, including iOS and Android.